This is the elevator at Thompson-Clark Hall at Westminster College in New Wilmington, Pennsylvania. It's a Dover Marshall hydraulic, and plus it might actually be a very early Thyssen Dover. It is open, but there's like a security thing. I don't know what that is here about. Buzz seems to be like coming from that side. Normally it comes from the panel. Or floor, maybe on the ceiling. It sounds a little different too. Like on the one. 88 phone. I mean, Otis probably added that phone because that looks like a typical phone industry series one. And Otis is the maintenance here. It's a basic Dover cab. Certificate and physical plant. This is car 14. So this was installed right before the campus center, the McKelvey campus center, with the series ones, because those are 15 and 16. I think 2 light up, but that's like so dim you probably can't even see it on the camera. And yeah, barely lights up here right at 1. The public safety office is near the elevator, so you just end it in here. Closing out's gonna read it.